Kalong kejing kemen kebakrau ya ke Alpha English Higher Secondary School Nongpoh hakaba haka katwe trek kula lengkon. Lasaki kejing urlong jong nega school bani opat se ka weki Iingskul ke bapaka ya ka balawat man pleru Dr. Didi Lapang ubade unong aibut barangba jong ke Sorkar Jela. Ya kani ke yang ke batemai bat ke bapaka jong ke Alpha English Higher Secondary School lamang kerpang lengba ke skim Supporting Human Capital Development jong ke Sorkar Jela. Ya ke balamang pisa lengba ke Asian Development Bank ha ke jeng mang ke balakot caka arklur tam ayai. Lawan mansakilang ha kani ke sengi ke bansakan mawin ke school da UMLA ke Nongpoh constituency uba Emerald Bonds UMDC ke Nongpoh uba Balajit Rani ka principal jong ni school ikong WK bla bat kiwe ki rupau kumat bat ki officer ni kiwe ki tenat ki kimi ki pa bat ki samla pulia habakran ni sengi Dr. Didi Lapang ubade ru udkhot jong managing committee jong ni school ubade unong aibut barang ba jong Sorkar Jela ulai ke jingiro ka bakrau chigi bor peniat jong ni school ki bana 12 sedang ya kani ke jaka ai jing hikai kila trishitom man pen priang ya ke jing nang start syaki samla pulia haduk mentah. Ulapan pauru bawa la kejingat lenti kum ka weni ki shlem ai jenang jing start kam shim lalong ke besuk ndrei de nemar kejingai ne akanong rem bat kejing trishitom jukinong seng lembat kinong hikai bagani ke skol kelapau bah menta bat kelong kejing mentoi ke bakrau ki samla pulia bat ulakit bok ruang ru kinong hikai bagi samla pulia bagi nang la ban jam syaprang ha kejingat lenti jongki.
There are many names, well-wishers and friends mentioned by all of you. I will not be able to mention all of them. So don't underestimate just okay. We are living and are living in the world of changes and challenges. I'm glad that we have a pandemic, we have faces a lot of tests in life, and this happening, the test of life we have, will compel us to change our view, our way of life, and start to taste the bitterness of the problem of life which may create a new world in us. It's our duty also to see that even with challenges and changes will confront us, but we will not lag behind to face the challenge, to fight, to survive, and not to yield.
Sing the song.